What we can see here is the triple cell arrangement of the hydrogen generator. We see this as a special configuration with the booster units included as well. Zooming in on the booster unit, we can see on the left hand side the gas production is roughly twice, or 200% the gas production of the twin system by itself. And as we can see quite clearly, zooming in again on the bubbler, or the gas is bubbling through the container there, is going through the rate of around about 3 to 4 litres of gas a minute. Now, the key thing to this is the fact we're only drawing 12 amps. 12 amps of current to produce this volume of gas is quite extraordinary. Zoom in, having a closer look. We can see the ammeter on the power supply. This is 12 volts, producing copious amounts of hydrogen gas. The key thing with a car generator, or car alternator, we're producing roughly 13.8 volts. And therefore with 13.8 volts we get even greater concentration of gas at this incredible rate we can see in front of me right here. Now this is the triple system of the Knox Scientific hydrogen dry cells. It's a new development with the new configuration of the special booster units on the left hand side. They look exactly the same box arrangement, but the cell spacing and the cell arrangement, the cell geometry is markedly different for the booster unit compared to the system. Now this is a series arrangement. All three cells are connected electrically in series, and the gas is connected in parallel, the output, water coming in from the base here. Now normally there's a pump in the enclosure. The pumping enclosure isn't actually in fact a battery box, a marine battery box, a large size, which houses both the storage container, which you can see on the left hand side. This is a small version, sorry, right hand side. This is a small version of the recycling container, and also the three cells. The three cells and the recycling container and the ammeter and all the electronics involved in this hydrogen generation process are installed in the same container. Again, having a closer look at the gas production from this unit, it is quite extraordinary. See the size of the bubbles coming out here. These are two 12 plate cells in series with a special composite booster unit, which I'm not going to talk about what the configuration is because it's patented obviously. Also wired in series with the circuit, dragging 12 amps out of the power supply on 12 volts.